Ready for a deep dive into the hype around the Garmin Fenix 8? If you're all about sports smartwatches, fitness tech, and the Garmin universe, you've landed in the sweet spot. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay in the loop. Now, let's unravel the rumored features and release date. First things first, the burning question on everyone's mind. When is the Garmin Fenix 8 going to drop? Well, to crack this code, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The Fenix 7 hit the shelves on January 18th, 2022. Its predecessor, the Fenix 6, on August 29th, 2019, and the Fenix 5 on January 4th, 2017. Now, historically, Garmin has given us a new Fenix every 2 to 3 years, with the occasional Plus Pro model sandwiched in between, so the Fenix 8 might make its grand entrance sometime in 2024. But hey, Garmin likes to keep us on our toes, so it's a bit of a guessing game. Alright, let's shift gears and talk features. What can we expect from the Fenix 8? So, Fenix 7 kicked things off by adding a cool touch interface, which was a game changer compared to the Fenix 6. Now, Fenix 8 might be stepping up its display game. Imagine rocking an AMOLED display, known for its vibrant colors, deep blacks, and killer contrast ratios. This could totally take the user experience to the next level. Plus, customizable interfaces might be in the mix, letting you tweak the display to match your vibe. It's like Fenix 7 set the stage with that touch interface, and now Fenix 8 is about to bring even more screen magic with the AMOLED upgrade. Exciting stuff, right? The Fenix isn't your regular watch. It's a workout beast, especially outdoors. Think multi-day adventures like hiking, kayaking, and camping. That's where it shines. So, the more battery, the merrier. And get this, there's gonna be a solar version too. In a world all about eco-vibes, the Fenix 8 is keeping up with Garmin's solar tech trend. We're talking more efficient solar cells soaking up that sunlight for extra juice during those long outdoor escapades. Plus, expect some nifty battery-saving tricks with improved algorithms, giving you more time between charges. Health is wealth, right? The Fenix 8 is poised to take your well-being seriously. Stress tracking and recovery suggestions get an upgrade, and respiratory rate monitoring, especially during sleep, might become a thing. And of course, expect the latest and greatest in heart rate sensors, because who doesn't want accurate heart data? The Garmin Fenix 7 is awesome, no doubt, but the Elevate Gen 4 sensor was a bit hit or miss, playing it inconsistent at times, so this upgrade will play a big role. The Fenix 8 is anticipated to embrace LTE and not rely completely on Wi-Fi. Plus, IoT enhancements could turn your watch into a smart home commander, syncing effortlessly with various devices, from fitness equipment to your coffee maker. AI-driven adaptive training plans could revolutionize your workouts, tailoring plans based on your performance, recovery, and goals. Voice assistants might join the party, making hands-free operation a breeze, and with AI-powered predictive metrics, your watch might just become your health guardian, offering insights and suggestions based on continuous monitoring. The Fenix 8 might introduce advanced materials like titanium or ceramic, enhancing durability without compromising weight. Improved water resistance with increased depth ratings ensures the watch's suitability for various aquatic activities. Finally, for the outdoor enthusiasts, the Fenix 8 is expected to bring topographical maps with higher resolution and real-time updates. Accurate short-term weather forecasts and altitude acclimatization insights cater to adventure seekers, providing valuable guidance during outdoor activities. As we eagerly await the arrival of the Garmin Fenix 8, the speculation and excitement continue to build. What features are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to stay subscribed for the latest updates on the Garmin Fenix 8. Until next time, peace out.